Hey Chief Architect friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to show you a quick tip on how to create this low slope, high slope situation where we have the same ridge location but two different heights. And this is for the purpose of proper flashing and capping at the ridge. I'm also going to throw in here changing the energy heel height. Let's get started. So I currently have this roof here where the low slope, I believe this is a 212 pitch, yes, and a 1012 pitch, 1212 pitch on the front, currently meeting at the ridge. I want to do a couple things with this is make sure I have a 14-inch energy heel, and I need to have that 212 be about 8 inches taller than the 1212 so that we have proper flashing and capping details. Quickly, I'm just going to let me go back and show you what I did with the roof setup. I did a raised lower ceiling 12 inches for the roof height when I built these roofs. And so let's just show you where that 12 inches from the ceiling is. That puts it, puts that bearing point of a 2x4 cord on 12 inches from the ceiling. But I needed to subtract the vertical height of that cord at the appropriate pitch. So I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to say 14-inch energy heel. And I'm going to draw a construction line. So this is a construction box 14 inches tall. I drew a construction line on the outside edge of the stud wall, and I'm just going to take a measurement here from this intersection of the bottom of the sheathing or top of the cord and drag to this line here. So 1 9/16 inches is what I need to drop this one. I'm going to click on this roof plane right here and do transform replicate. Move in the Z delta minus 1 and 9, not 19, 9/16. There's that one. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Let's see where that 12 is. Yep, same line there. But once again, this 2x4 top cord is a different vertical height at a 1212 pitch instead of a 212. Once again, I'm going to make this construction line 14 inches tall, so I have that 14-inch energy heel. And since I drew that polyline on the outside edge of my exterior wall, I don't have to draw another construction line. So now I'm going to do my tape measure from this corner straight up to the top cord, and that is, zoom out here, 2 3/4 inches. So I need to drop this plane, transform replicate, minus 2 3/4 inches. Now I'm going to go into my roof plan view, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the number 2 key on my keyboard to join the roof plane so that once again we have that ridge is the same height. And I've been thinking about this. I want to have an 8-inch difference so that this 212 pitch is 8 inches taller than the 1212 pitch. And that way I can flash this and flash this up underneath there. Now, if I were to raise this roof plane 8 inches, that would work, but then I would have a 22-inch heel, energy heel over here. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to try dropping this 1212 roof plane by 16 inches, twice what I want. Join the roof planes. I'll figure out where this meets up with this, and then raise, I think this will work. Let's see. Because if I raise this one up by 16 inches, I'm going to move this back. This roof plane will be back. If I raise this one up, it'll move forward. If I drop this, it'll move back as well. So I have to raise this one by 16 inches, see where they join, and then drop it 8. I think that's what it is. So I'm going to select this roof plane, transform, replicate, a positive 16 in the Z delta, go to my roof plan, join them together, and now drop this 8 inches. Now I got to drop it minus 16 again. And that's not it. That is 15 and 13/16. So let's raise this up 8 inches. Roof plan, join these roof planes together, and now drop this. Minus 8. That should keep my 14-inch energy heel, and it does. And I'm going to measure from this ridge to that ridge. That's 7 3/4. Pretty close for what I need. Now I am going to just bring this forward like 2 inches. So that my framing and flashing and all that stuff works. Let's take a look. That's what I wanted it to look like. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. If you like this information, please drop some encouragement down there. Leave a like and subscribe. I always enjoy the interaction with you folks, so comment if you have any thoughts or questions as well. Take care. Have a wonderful week.